G'day ladies and gents, welcome back to Randy's Travels. My name's JT, and today folks we're going to replace the current jockey wheel that's on the Caravan, the Snowy River SRT20, with this Blackjack trailer jack, this mini. Weight 8.5 kilos, that's all that it's going to weigh as it's hanging off the Caravan, and it will hold up to a ton. So look, no more winding it up and down. This thing is going to be simply plug and play, Anderson plug in for the start. I'll eventually get it wired to the batteries on there. Push the button, automatic electric motor. Worm drive gears on here. So we have dependability, 3-year warranty. And we'll go ahead and we'll open up the box before we get this installed, and we'll see what we got inside the box. So just cut the tape on the box, open it up. So right away we got the foot pad. So that's what you get on the ground, you jack up onto. That must be the retractable leg. There, we got that. And folding foot installation. So we got that in there. And then we got a bit of a QR code. That'd be the cover that goes on top. The jack itself looks like an outboard motor to a boat, to be honest with you. So that's the Blackjack trailer jack there, folks. 8.5 kilos. And now we're gonna get this installed onto the Snowy River Caravan. Alrighty, folks. So we got the D-Max all connected to the Snowy River. So I'm simply going to crank this up. See, this thing it's always just been very, very loose, and just don't really care for it. I'd rather, if you're traveling around, have a bit of quality on there. So what we're going to do is we are going to remove the old jockey wheel and the bolt that was on there. And we went ahead and we bought ourselves, just so nobody tries to steal it. Security is number one. We bought ourselves this Blackjack jockey wheel lock. So it's the same concept as those other locks that I have. So the guy at the shop said you just find the right bolt that goes on there, the one that goes into your trailer. And it looks like that one right there. You screw it in, and you just simply put the locking mechanism on there like that. And then we get that turkey locked on there. So let's just put the let's put it down in there. See if we can get this bolt in here. That's pretty tight. Guys, a little bit of fooling around there. Don't want to cross thread that joker, you know. See, that's a lot more sturdier than that. Than the standard jockey wheel that was on there. A lot more. I've got some of my cross check that I'll put on here. Let's put a little bit there so we're doing our walk around. Make sure nothing's moved. And I'll go ahead and put a little bit on the inside there too. Like that. And then of course we got the locking mechanism for the Blackjack. So that simply goes on there like that. And didn't lock the first time. Let's try that one again. Yeah, it locks out like that. So no one's gonna steal our Blackjack off of there. And then we'll go ahead and we'll put the feet on there. So we got to put that sleeve on. This is this sleeve. And then the foot itself. Tuck that in there like that. Put the washer on. Put the pin in. All right, folks, we're going to give this a whirl. So that's up. So as we go ahead and we drop it down, foot drops. Maybe a little bit of assistance, but still, foot drops all the way down onto the wood. There you go. So we now have a jack. I'll disconnect it from pop the pin on the truck quickly. So set the brakes. So I currently just got the Anderson plug connected to the truck itself. There we go. Like a dream. That's what we wanted right there, folks. So the trick is you sort of got to get the truck forward a little bit to get the pin out from underneath. Then I lower it back down to level it out some. That's it, folks. So I went ahead and I pulled the truck up just far enough to get the pin from underneath the hitch. That Anderson cord is still long enough to be connected to the truck. So go ahead and we'll lower it back down a little bit, level it out. There you have it, folks. That's it. That's the Blackjack trailer jack installed. You can see how I've marked the nuts down in there in case they come a little bit loose. Got the locking mechanism on there. It's got the foot on there. Look, it's a little bit, if we do go off-roading, then I'll take that extension leg off. But for right now, it will, that'll do the trick. And thank you, ladies and gents. If you liked my video, like and subscribe. And the next video will be coming out will be the annex that we bought. So we're gonna work out how to install that. Like and subscribe. Thanks, folks.